Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Ansible. Ansible is an open-source automation tool that can be used to automate tasks such as configuration management, application deployment, and orchestration. It's a great tool for IT professionals who want to automate their work and save time. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Ansible? How does Ansible work? What are the benefits of using Ansible? How to get started with Ansible? Let's talk about what is Ansible? Ansible is an open-source automation tool that can be used to automate tasks such as configuration management, application deployment, and orchestration. It's a great tool for IT professionals who want to automate their work and save time. Ansible uses a simple, agentless architecture. This means that there is no need to install any software on the managed nodes. Ansible uses SSH to connect to the managed nodes and execute commands. Ansible is a powerful tool that can be used to automate a wide variety of tasks. Some of the things that Ansible can be used for include configuration management, application deployment, orchestration, cloud provisioning, security. Now let's understand, how does Ansible work? Ansible works by using a concept called playbooks. A playbook is a YAML file that defines a set of tasks that Ansible should execute. The tasks in a playbook can be executed in parallel or in sequence. Ansible uses a concept called modules to execute tasks. A module is a piece of software that Ansible can use to perform a specific task. For example, there are modules for installing software, configuring services, and managing users. When Ansible executes a playbook, it first connects to the managed nodes using SSH. Once it is connected, Ansible downloads the playbook and executes the tasks in the playbook. Now let's see, what are the benefits of using Ansible? There are many benefits to using Ansible, including it's easy to learn and use. It's agentless, so there is no need to install any software on the managed nodes. It's scalable, so it can be used to automate a large number of nodes. It's secure, because it uses SSH to connect to the managed nodes. It's open source, so it's free to use. Now it's time to learn how to get started with Ansible. If you're interested in learning more about Ansible, there are a few resources that you can use. These links will help you about Ansible documentation and Ansible blogs, which will help you to learn more about Ansible. Also, you can connect with the Ansible community with like-minded people for any help needed to grow. I hope this video has given you a good introduction to Ansible. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Also, you can connect on different platforms for free to-the-point learning resources. You can find the links in description.